Okay, this is when being a science nerd pays off. I've got 5 easy ways to keep your drinks cold all summer long. Tip number 1 is for room temperature drinks. Okay, you want to cool this down fast. You're going to take a wet paper towel and wrap it around the drink. Then you're going to toss this guy in the freezer for like 15 minutes. So as the towel dries, it's going to pull heat from your drink. This is a really simple and slimmed down version of evaporative cooling, but it is surprisingly effective. Tip number 2, you're going to add salt to your ice. So salt lowers the melting point of ice. The ice is going to melt a lot faster, but the temperature of it will actually be colder. It will cool everything down so much more quickly. How much salt? Well, you want about a quarter cup of it in roughly 5 pounds of ice. Tip number 3, now that everything's cold, pack it close together in your cooler. So this has to do with thermal physics. The tighter something is packed, the more resistant it is to temperature change. The larger the mass, the less likely it is to warm up, and the longer it's going to stay cold. Tip number 4, you can always use a frozen water bottle instead of using loose ice. So water has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat before it actually starts to warm up. This makes frozen water bottles incredibly efficient at keeping your cooler cold. Okay, and tip number 5 is a little 90s alien abduction-esque. You can always use tinfoil. The idea here is that tinfoil is really effective at bouncing radiant energy away from it. Kind of like those old school sweet windshield covers. It would be the same for your cooler. Here's the best part. All these tips work for adult babies too.